What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris G. Today I'm gonna talk about this small thing. Can you guess what is this? Well guys, this is the first time I'm gonna give my first impression on a drone that is made not by DJI. This is made by PowerVision Global. It is a mix of American and Chinese company. I've been using this for a while, almost a month or more than a month. It satisfies my needs because it has 4K 60 frames per second, vibrant colors, and there's a lot of special updates on this drone. Let me show you some footages that I took. I enjoy a lot flying this drone.